Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In the last video, we learned how to delete nodes in a doubly linked list. And in this video, we will learn how to traverse and search element in a doubly linked list step by step in JavaScript. So first, let's quickly understand what traversal and searching mean. Traversal means visiting each node of the list one by one, just like reading all the elements from the start to end. And searching means checking whether a particular value is existing in the list or not. So basically, traversal is reading everything, and searching is like finding something specific. Now, traversal in doubly linked list. So the idea is very simple. We will start from the head node, print the data of each node, and move ahead using the next pointer until we reach the end of the list. So the moment our current node become null, that means we have reached the end. So it is pretty simple. So let's move to VS Code and write the code for this. So here I already write the class node and class doubly linked list. I have to write this method traverse. So for first I have to create copy this linked list into this head in this current, and also I have to make a let result is equal to. So here I create a variable current that starts from the head of the list and another variable result which will store the output as a string. So now start while current and it take wait current dot data plus, and every time we have to update this current by current dot next, and console.log this current. So let's run this not 20, and I get 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, as I already insert here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70, and when we call this traverse I get this data here. So let's move to the next one, reverse traversal. So in doubly linked list we can easily go backward because of the previous pointer. So first we move current to the last node, then we keep moving backward using the previous until we reach the start. So means first we move to the last node using the next pointer while current is not equal to null, um, and then print the data while going backward using the previous pointer, and keep doing that until current becomes null. So let's move to VS Code. So first we have to check whether this list is empty or not. If it is empty, then just simply return this. After that, make a current this dot head and start while current dot next, and current is equal to current dot next. Means I will move current to the last node by following this next pointer here. Now let result is equal to empty string, and while current, and we have to add this data into this result current plus, and current is equal to current dot previous, because in the doubly linked list, as we know, there is a previous pointer also. And now write this result. Let traverse this. What happened? Oh, I forget to write dot data here, because I do not I have to give the data value, not the whole list. So see, now in this time I will get the all the value, means I traverse the list by from the backend from the previous one last node, means 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. So let's move to the third one, the searching in the DLL. And the idea is again very simple. We will start from the head node and check each node data one by one. And if we find the value we are looking for, we will print its position. If not, we will say it is not found. So let's move to VS Code. So let current is equal to this dot head, and let position is equal to 1. So I'm taking the current to the start from the head and a position variable to keep track of which node we are at, and we make start a while loop while current, and if current dot data is equal to value, then just print the value console.log. That value found at the position and else we have to increase the current is equal to current dot next, and we have to return this after when we found the value. We have to just return this. There is no need to traverse unless, and every time we have to increase the position plus plus. So if I run this and I give the value here, search 60 in this linked list. So let's see, yes, 60 found at the position 6. If we see 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, it's okay, it's right. So in this while loop I will compare each node data with the given value, and if it matches I will print the message and stop the function using this return, and if not I will move to the next node and increase the position, and else we write the means if we do not found this value, we just wrote value not found in this list, and if the loop ends without finding the value, that means the element is not present in this, and we get this answer. If I say I search 90 here, I get value 90 not found in the list, as simple. So this is all about the traversing and searching. We so quickly summarize this. We can traverse the list forward using the next pointer, and we can traverse backend using the previous pointer, and we can search for any element by checking node data one by one. And that's the beauty of a doubly linked list. We can move in the both directional. So, and that is for this video. In the next video we'll start with the problem and practice on doubly linked list. If you find this value helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to JDCodebase for more short and easy DSA tutorial in JavaScript. See you in the next one.